Welcome, everyone, and thank you for tuning in to our discussion on technology and retail trends. I'm Nina Harding, Corporate Vice President of Microsoft America's Global Partner Solutions. Today, I have the pleasure to speak with Greg Buzek, the founder and president and principal analyst of IHL, and one of the founders of the Retail Orphan Initiative.
Thanks, Nina. It's a pleasure to be with you.
What is unified commerce, and what are maybe perhaps the top three emerging customer trends, disruptions, or behaviors you believe are having a huge impact on unified commerce for the consumer experience?
Yeah, unified commerce is beyond multi-channel, and it's a unified view of your data and your visibility of your inventory as well as your customer data. It's often characterized by a single central order management solution, so that when an order comes in, regardless of whether that's coming in from online through mobile or whether that's at the store, you can fulfill in the most cost-effective manner.
How do you envision the integration of AI?
You want to start where you've got the best data. You want to start where you can have the best bang for your buck. And oftentimes that is not just chatbots for customer service. Yeah, that helps. And you can have a chatbot for customer service, but it's actually a chatbot for the employee customer service. Where the real value is, because if you have the ability to have all that knowledge available to your employees through a chatbot, you have now brought somebody up to expert level in a much faster manner. What's crazy about retail, particularly in the United States, was we added about $2 trillion in retail after the pandemic, and we did it with 3 million fewer workers. So we've been asked to do more with less.
But there's also things around skilling and change management and the governance. What are you seeing retailers and how are they addressing this right now?
I think it varies on the retailer. It varies on the retailer. If that retailer is growing their business 10% or more for the last couple of years, they generally are far more advanced in their structure and their methodology and how they're addressing AI in all of those areas, whether it be privacy, whether it be just the skill sets that are required, the training that's involved there. But you've got others that are considering doing it because they see it as an opportunity to do an end around type of situation. And that can be very dangerous for all of those reasons.
Well, Greg, we are really lucky to have you with us today. Oftentimes, I think having the opportunity to be with an expert in an area is when their expertise in their professional life meets their personal passions. And I want to make sure, as we're talking about these trends in retail, that we have an opportunity to talk about something that's really near and dear to your heart. I've heard some notes about the amazing charitable work that you're doing to help children around the globe. Maybe you could close with helping us understand a little bit about what you're doing with retail ROI.
So we do three things. We raise awareness. Number two, we use who we know and what we know to come alongside and help charities that are doing that frontline work with childcare. And that could be foster care, that could be orphan care, adoption around the world. And then third, we use funds that come in for us to where we can double or triple or quadruple the work by combining that knowledge to do things.
I want to just say thank you to all of you for watching our video on the latest trends in the retail industry. And to learn more about how our partners are creating technology solutions to some of these customer challenges, read the attached blog, and we'll see you next time.